Today I want to show you how to earn from online. Yeah, we know everyone try to show how to earn from online, but generally I got so many fake YouTubers, many higher. But today I want to show you proof how to earn. First of all, we have to install one apps. So we have to go to Play Store and then one second. In there, oh yeah, we use Fiverr Fiverr official apps. This one already I install, so I have to open. How to create a new open. First sign up. I want to log in by Google. Okay. Last one second. Okay. In there, my Gmail and username. Okay. Public username. Okay. Right now I create brand new account, and in there I got Tarek Q110. Okay, there have no balance because right now it's new account, and then we have to set up our account. In there you can see all so many kinds of work like logo design, logo animation, business card, and extra web design, social media, t-shirt, everything. More than 200 items you can do in their work. Mainly you have to focus which one in future is more market valuable. We have to focus like this work. That's why we need we have to focus like website, because we can see right now everyone need to website create his business or for personal extra. Okay, in there first you can see in there order manage, and first of all we have to create you can see post request. In there we have to first create gigs. In there you can show here I am right now online, and right now we can see I want to show you proof how I can earn uh, my payment proof. There you can see Fiverr.com. This is my earnings already to 228 USD, and I withdraw 120 bucks and purchase 81. Right now available I have just 72 cents. Okay, I can show you something how to geeks my profile. This is geek. I can there you first of all you have to you can got okay. I'll show you this one. 1 second. First of all log out. I want to log in by Google. No, I don't know. 900. Okay. Right now I'm in my account, my profile. I have to fill up my language linked account like Google skill. How many kinds of I can do work, my education experience, and more information. Also, I have to share in there. I can make a gigs after profile make. You can see. Right now you can say create a new gig. First of all, they show me fast continue about what. Right now I have to click my all details. Okay, language and continue. Personal information. I have to create one picture. I give this one. I have to writing in there about myself description.